So welcome to TechnoDadLife, where we build, learn, and create as a community. And on today's episode, we're going to be making a holiday theme for our Openmediavault. And a special thanks to Sisrusk from the forums, and I'll leave a link down in the description below to his forum post, and make sure you give him a thumbs up for the great work he's doing. And so with this OMV theme changer, we're going to be adding in sort of a green and red theme and actually a little snow. And so if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And here we go now. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're going to do is do a holiday or Christmas theme to our Openmediavault. And so you need to open Mediavault, go to Shell in the Box, click on Web Client, and then log in. Next, we're going to go to Openmediavault forums, and there's this Openmediavault theme changer. And so we're just going to copy this whole line here. And I will leave a link to this down below in the description. Paste from browser. Click OK. And then hit Enter to install it. And so that takes us to the themes. And so we're going to just hit Enter on themes. We're going to go down to Santa's Elf. Hit Enter. And now when we go back to our Openmediavault and we hit refresh, you can see now we have a seasonal red and green background. Okay, so we're going to go down to JS plugins, go down to Make It Snow, hit Enter, arrow down to Make It Snow, hit Enter. And now we're going to go back to Openmediavault and hit refresh. And now you can see there's snow coming down, and if we move our cursor, the snow follows the cursor. So here's going more to the side, down to the bottom, this direction. And so that's how we give our Openmediavault a Christmas theme with snow. And wishing you a happy holidays, and hopefully you get to some nice snow, or if you're in another part of the world, whatever nice weather that you have. And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.